Yeah, actually the problem was here. Something goes wrong. So I just this one some typo mistake, task ID. Okay, now if I go here and then refresh and then click, yeah, now we have it here, delete task, and then the confirmation. If I go back, then it will not be deleted. But if I click delete, see, it's deleted. This one we can delete it. So our delete functionality is working fine. Let's delete all, delete, delete, delete. Okay, one thing, once we delete all the tasks, it looks empty here, because we don't have any task in the database, so it's empty. So better we show some message here. If there is no task, how we can do it? It's very simple. Here in our index, what we can do is, before displaying this, the task, we can actually check whether the task exists or not. So how we can just do this: if task, it means the task exists, then display all this, and I just end it first, and then here I will say I will create an else block, else I will print some message. No more task. So now if I refresh, see, no more tasks, because there are no tasks. If I add something, add book, now that message is gone, no more tasks. Instead we have this thing, and I just add another one, buy some egg. Now it's on that. So yeah, we are done with our application. It's now similar to this one. So now you see how we have created this application. I think there is some gap here. It's just HTML different. Now how we have created this application from the scratch. The main functions we have focused here is like using the routes, and how to use the route, and then the views, and then the models, and also how to use the WTF form to create the forms, and how to use the SQLAlchemy as a database ORM. And if you notice, this one actually Flask is using the MVC pattern. So you see, we have the routes here, and these are the controllers, and we have the models, and the views are actually in the template. So it's pure MVC. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. What I will do is, I will add the source. I will share the source through the Git repository. So I will share the link of this source code from the Git repository, and some other useful links I will also share in the description of this video. Thank you for being with me. Bye.